Hallo, dann. Yeah, room in the Skargar Hotel in Wirtshaus, just off the ferry. It's nice and roomy. It's a conference type of hotel. That's you right by the ferry port. Bathroom, shower, and a mirror. The next morning, riding through Denmark. Welcome to Germany. Willkommen in Deutschland. We are riding in Kappeln. Tour through the B&B hotel room in Garbsen near Hanover. It is a box standard B&B hotel room. The only thing that changes is the mural there. Otherwise bed. There's space for the luggage. Standard bathroom. Hello. Yeah, did I mention it's air conditioned? Good stuff. Leaving Garbsen. This is what riding into a heat wave looks like. Yeah, lacking the sound of that. Yeah, welcome to my favorite motorcycle apparel shop, apart from Motor Relations in Guildford, that is Louis.de in Darmstadt. B&B Hotel Darmstadt. Bed, cabinetty thingies, and the bathroom. So, I'm walking to the tram station. The B&B Hotel is in a bit at the entrance exit of the city towards the motorway. Got tram line just about 50 yards over there. Got a ticket for the day. 8 minutes before the next train. I just got off this train here. Central Plaza in Darmstadt. Yeah. And there's a market square. It's the old castle there. It's a university's library in there now. And that is the town hall where Karen and I got married 33 and a bit years ago. Oh, 6 o'clock. Yeah, visiting a friend. Got the opportunity in that heat to walk through a bit of foresty bit in the shade. Happy days. I'm not sure if the camera picked that up, but it's not even 10 o'clock and it's 27 degrees already. Happy days. This is not the Vatican, and here's a domed church as well. That's a monument honoring the last Duchess of Darmstadt. And here's the domed church. Copper roof, looks green because of the oxidation. And when you turn around there, this is the theatre. All sorts of arty stuff there. Darmstadt used to be the center of Art Nouveau. Right? Just to show where we are, down there is the main square with all the trams meeting. It's not the Death Star, it's not the Millennium Falcon, it's just a piece of art outside of the theatre. How cool is that? Yeah, that's opposite the theatre. Theatre's here. It's an events house. So that's also an interesting place. You see the big state theatre, the events place. And there's a little smaller theatre in there for like more independent place. Yeah, the view to the museum, and behind there is the State's Archives. Yeah, that building there is the Congress Center in Darmstadt, and this is it's integrating the old city wall, and it goes straight into the building, and the Congress Center is called Darmstadtium, which is a reference to the element number 110 of the periodic table of elements, which is called Darmstadtium. So, and the other thing that is there, all of that over there, all of that is already part of the University of Darmstadt. So it's all close by. And when I say close by, that is the castle again. It's basically the east side of the castle, and there's the market square and everything is all within very short walking distance. Name me a city that's got a more beautiful archive than Darmstadt. entering the castle grounds from the north side. And the really fun part about this is obviously there's a university library and stuff in there, and some university spaces for lectures. But the interesting thing is the old moat around it, which you can walk around in nowadays, and it's been the venue. It's been a venue of many of festivals here, student festivals, beer festivals, barbecues, concerts, all the rest of it. It's all happening here.